think he's supposed to land right on that green thing there. I'm not sure. There's Joe. He has no fear.
Not normal if you got no fear.
And there's the airport. Where the hell is the airport? That's the airport out there.
A lot of the guys I asked on a Lodi especially, were you scared on that first jump? Oh no, it was fun. I said, well, two things. You're either lying to me or you're crazy.
Yeah, no kidding, man. I think
Start recording when we see an airplane. Oh, here comes Myron. He's got a jumpsuit on. This could be scary.
Hey, Scott. My mom was too scared to come.
Your mom was too scared to come?
She said she'd stay home and worry all at home.
Did you ask her permission?
No.
Are you up here without her permission?
I'm up here without her permission.
And Joe talked you into this, right?
Joe talked me into this.
Okay. And I see by looking in your eyes, you're not lying either.
No, I'm not.
Okay. And here's a shot of Myron's last meal before he boards the plane. And
Healthy food.
good food. We've got some peanuts and some Pepsi. Yeah, he's going to go in style. And people are starting to show up a little bit. There's the guys out packing the chutes. More later. Okay, here we are. We can see Myron's plane overhead. There's Joe and Clyde and one of the other jumpers. Clyde's the one who taught Myron to ground school. Joe's not worried at all. He's a little concerned. Okay, there's Myron's plane. It looks okay. It's flying real good. Yeah, they're climbing a little more. This should be pretty interesting. They're kicking some butt. He's still flying around, just keeps gaining altitude. Looks pretty far away to me. Whoops, way far away. There he is. Still going up. And it's right up there by the clouds.
And also, by doing it that way, it imparts certain structures.
They're still climbing. He's right above us.
All right.
He's gliding now. There's Myron. Nice canopy, huh?
Yeah, a little bit short on the spot, but oh well. Anybody can be a critic, huh?
Especially from down here.
Yeah.
So I hope he's the guy in the white chute, because that's who I'm following.
The only one up there. Doesn't look like he knows where he is yet.
Seems to be headed off to the hills.
Looks like I'll make the jump.
All right, Gus, I'll turn.
He's turning, he's turning.
Yeah, you must see it.
Myron, where'd you go?
Follow the arrow!
He's way up there by the sun.
back down.
Can't really see him because he's in the sun.
Putting us too far downwind. Got to be over here.
Well, the wind keeps changing. I think it should be.
We're looking for him. He's right up here by the sun somewhere.
Well, the wind. What are the winds at 5?
There he is. I spotted him now. He's screaming.
Follow the arrow!
Follow the arrow.
Follow the arrow! That way!
Long jump. I can hear the chute rippling.
Should be able to make a stand up maybe with a windmill.
You know, I looked for a tighter jumpsuit already.
Did you? Find one?
Follow the arrow! Turn! Over here! Turn!
Don't hold those lines down.
He's way up there.
No!
Good landing, man. He appears to be alive.
Him to. You wouldn't have had to use a zoom lens.
No. Could have kept him out of the sun.
Alright. That worked out pretty good. Yeah. Now what we gotta do is recover him.
Just like a rocket, then you gotta chase it down.
Yeah.
Okay, there's Myron's certificate of achievement, proving that he landed alive.
So his mom can't be mad at us.
God, there's a lot of moms that don't like me. Oh, he's got a little excess adrenaline.
You think he's be okay there?
He's probably going to look like a rabbit in a minute jumping through the sagebrush coming back here.
Really?
See them guys bouncing up and down. You guys almost ready? Yep.
Where's that rig for? Is that your purple?
No, it's mine. I got a source. I've been doing some accuracy and stuff.
Myron, they said you weren't following the arrow.
Myron's a little high.
It was great. I'm probably the best sky jumper ever.
Probably.
I would have hit right on the carpet, but they gave me the wrong directions on the way over. I don't think they knew how to the correct way.
Of course not. They're new at this.
Yeah. I have to give them some pointers.
You're next.
I don't.
I don't know what cut.
Boy, that was a rush jumping out though. Like, oh no. Hope everything goes as planned. And then, but before I knew it, the canopy was up there. So it was no time at all.
No time to worry, yeah.
I checked and everything was perfect and no twists, no nothing. I kept on thinking, arch, arch. I didn't count at all. I didn't yell arch. I didn't do anything they told me to. But I still...
But you screamed. You did good.
Yeah, I said, well, I remember Joe saying he wanted me to yell, so I'll yell.
Did you hear me yell back?
Nope. I was too busy. Alright, you hear the wind, so I stop a little bit and yell, but then I gotta go again, because I can't stop for a long time.